Fluency practice, day 1. Read the passage. Use the make, confirm, or revise prediction strategy to predict what will happen in the story. Coyote's song. A boy was eating lunch in a field on his grandmother's farm. Her farm was large, and he had explored and seen many things that morning. "Do not wander into the woods," Grandmother said. So he kept to the fields. As he ate his lunch, he heard the call of a blue jay. "I'll follow the sound of blue jay. I will find him and see his blue feathers and listen to his song. I will bring him bread." The afternoon sun was hot, and there were many hills to climb, but the boy was determined to follow the call. He walked slowly and cautiously with care. Soon he ran into Coyote, who was looking for lunch but not having any luck. He did not have a single crumb or morsel of food. "Hello," said Coyote. "I see you are enjoying an afternoon walk." "I've been exploring Grandmother's farm, and now I'm looking for Blue Jay. I want to listen to his song, see his beautiful feathers, and give him bread." Coyote took one look at the bread and became hungrier. Quietly, he muttered to himself, "I will trick that boy, then he'll give me that bread. I can sing a song and perform for you, then you can give me your bread," Coyote said with a grin. "But howling and barking isn't a song, and you only have brown fur," said the boy. "I want to hear Blue Jay's song and admire his feathers, and I only have enough bread for him."